We will continue the design interactively, using the plan and 3D view windows simultaneously. Let's say we have an idea of how large some of the rooms need to be. We'll continue adding the walls using a few of the measurements we already know, using the information displayed in the inspector palette as a guide. Click the interior corner and, using relative coordinates to measure the distance, draw a new wall 400 cm from the corner, 350 cm interior dimension plus 50 cm wall thickness, tracing upward from the original horizontal wall toward the interior of the house. The last point clicked is now the reference point. Continue adding other walls. Draw another wall 200 cm, 6 feet 6 inches, from the last, 150 cm interior dimension plus 50 cm wall thickness, again using the relative coordinates as a guide. Draw a third wall 350 cm, 11 feet 6 inches, from the preceding, 300 cm interior dimension plus 50 cm wall thickness. Control the measures with the rule tool. Many common operations can be done by right-clicking and using the context menus that appear beside the mouse. The menu that appears depends on which element is selected. For example, if a segment is selected, the following menu will appear. Add and duplicate a wall to a preset distance. Click on the starting point. Write 350 plus 50 in the DX field of the inspector. Write 800 in the die field in the inspector palette and click on Draw. Control the measures with the rule tool. With the arrow, select the first wall. Duplicate the selected wall. Write 400 in the DX field of the inspector and confirm. Select and duplicate the wall with copy and paste. Write 140 plus 50 in the DX fields of the inspector and click the Draw button. Duplicate the last wall with copy and paste. Move it with the Move Wall command. Write 350 in the X field. Move the wall 250 cm in Y with the mouse. Move the wall 100 cm in Y direction. Choose the rectangle selection tool from the top palette and trace a rectangle including the walls to be selected. Right-click on the selection and delete it with the Clear Selection command from the pop-up menu. Undo the last operation. Clear selected elements. Undo the last operation. For modifying the colors of selected elements, click on the icon color in the inspector and choose a new color from the pop-up menu. Use parametric selection to select elements with parametric values and options. Set the parameters walls and red color for selecting all the red walls in the current layer. Clear the selection with the contextual pop-up menu. Walls can be modified clicking on the extremes of their axes and dragging them. After deleting some walls, we'll now add some other walls to complete the external walls. Duplicate a wall and move it with the inspector of 700 centimeters. Duplicate another wall and move it with the inspector of 300 centimeters. Select and delete not necessary walls.